Hello, welcome back to Diora's Kitchen. Welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm going to prepare lemon chicken and rice. Lemon chicken and rice. This recipe can serve up to 8 individuals. You can freeze it for up to a month. Per serving is 275 calories per serving. So I have everything already prepped up for you. What I did, I marinated the chicken the night before. It doesn't call for a marinade, but I did it anyway. It's lemon, marinated in lemon so the chicken can have that lemon taste. So here we go. Everything is prepped up. So let's get started. All right. I have my pan heated a little bit. So I'm going to put a little olive oil onto the skillet. Cut it down a little bit. And what we need to do is take our chicken and let it brown on both sides. So we're going to take all 4 pieces that I have. And like I said, I'm only making 4 pieces. Not 8, I'm just making a half. Take all the sauce. Then I'm going to take my paprika and my turmeric. Put just a little. And you're going to do this for both sides. I'm going to put a little salt. You don't want it all the way done, just a little, because just like I say, it's going to go into the oven. It's going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes. So we're going to take the other side. Turn it as well. And we're going to little turmeric and the paprika on this side as well. And you're going to do this, just like I say, each side for 4 minutes. And we're going to take the rest of the salt, a little pinch. I'm going to save some to go into the other. Okay. And we're going to let this go for 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to remove it from the pan. Okay? Okay, now that we have the chicken going, we don't want to cook this completely. Okay? We do not want to cook it completely. We're going to take it off, and we're going to transfer it over onto another plate. Yeah. Good Lord. Just like so. Then we're going to take the remaining oil and we're going to take it off as well. Okay, you don't want to take this other oil on what we're going to do next. So we're going to take the next step. We're going to take the remaining of the oil, place it in the pot. And we're going to take the cabbage. We're going to place the cabbage into the pot as well. Then you're going to add your salt, the rest of the salt. And we're going to let this simmer down. And what I'm going to do is put this over, and then I'm going to take the onion. It requires onion. A half an onion. I'm doing a half, but it requires a whole because like I told you, I'm doing a half of this recipe. Then I'm going to take the garlic and set it to the side here. Make sure I have all the oil. Okay, got everything done there. Then we're going to take a little lemon juice, just a little, not too much. And we're going to let this go till it's done. I'm going to put a top on it and let it simmer. Okay, now this is done, so I'm going to add the rice. Put this here. Going to add the brown rice, and then I'm going to transfer it over into, let's do that. I made my rice before. The cabbage. I'm going to mix the cabbage, the garlic, the onion, everything together. Okay. Now I'm going to transfer, I'm going to add a little lemon juice. Into the rest of the lemon juice. Just a little. Then I'm going to transfer it over into my casserole dish. Then we're going to put this chicken on top. And we're going to let it bake. There you go. And I'm going to put the chicken on top of the rice that we set aside. I'm going to pour the rest of the juice on top of the rice. There we go. Then we're going to put aluminum foil over it and place it into the oven. There you go. For 30 minutes. Now I'm going to take the chicken out of the oven. Just a minute. It's very hot. All right. Let's see. There it is there. Very hot. I'm going to put a little paprika on top. Just a little bit. Just a little paprika, and I'm going to take the rest of this lemon that I have. There you go. Just a little bit. Take the rest of the lemon juice that I had, just a little left. I just want to garnish it just a little bit there. Then we're going to take some Italian parsley. And just give it that little. There you go. Beautiful. Then I'm going to cut up some lemon wedge. No, here. There you go. Thank you for watching. And there is our dish for today. And I like to say Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Happy Mother's Day. And thank you for watching again. And this is the end of my video. Thank you so much. Bye. If you like, click, share, subscribe. Next Sunday, I will be back. Thank you.